Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm a stitching instructor. I'm making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to sew elastic in pants or trousers. I am teaching you professional technique. For this, I am applying a formula. First, take a measurement of a waist circumference. As I am sewing it for a 6-year-old girl, her waist circumference is 25. Then take an elastic and measure it without stretching. Mark it 25. Before cut it, I'm going to -4 as per formula from 25 inches. Before final cut, take a 7 inches long strip from canvas. This strip width is as same as this elastic width is, and length is 7 inches. Including seams allowance, if you are sewing trousers for adult, then the width should be remain same, but the length of strip will change. After measurement, cut it off from the canvas. Then -7 inches from 21 inches. This is the actual length which will be sewing in the trousers. Elastic would be sewed both sides onto the canvas. Like this. This is a trouser which I already sewed. I flipped over it to a wrong side. I notched in the center of canvas strip. Now sew it from both sides carefully. After sewed, stretch it. It is ready now. As you know, trousers or pants has two parts, front part and the back part. So this canvas I will apply to the front part of trousers. So I put the canvas strips to the wrong side on the crotch seam top. Now fold the 1/2 inches fabric inside and sew around the canvas. Make sure your seam should be strong enough. Your seams will come onto the canvas. After sewed, it look like this. Now again fold 1/2 inches fabric inside. One thing keep in mind, you should keep your presser foot onto the folded fabric edges. Sew on edges. So be careful if you sew elastic with that 1/2 inches folded fabric. It can't get stretches. So you neither take extra fabric nor lose your fabric. While you are sewing, check your elastic, it is stretching or not, again and again. During sewing, one more thing, check your trousers back part side seam and crotch seams are equal and line up to the front side trouser side seams and crotch seams. It is sewed. Now stretch it and check it is proper and equal. In order to make it strong, I'm going to sew in the middle of the elastic. For this, I will stretch it from the back side and then sew it. Now it is prepared and ready to wear. You can see the finishing, front part and the back part of the trousers. You can see the wrong side of elastic as well. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends and family. You can visit my Facebook page also. Link is mentioned in description. Take care. Bye bye.